for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200, and of course, this actually started an uptrend right from here, but it got to this region and it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to pull back right now. Okay, so if it is done with the pullback, it's most likely for it to go back up and see if it can break out above it and continue with the trend. Okay, but if it does not, definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so for now, this is still selling until the pullback is over. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. This has been on downtrend right from here. Okay, and of course, it has been selling since then. It has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend. Okay, the only reason why it will not buy is if it goes back to the support zone and breaks out below it. Okay, but for now, it is still buying until it's unable to go further. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is PayNext 1000. This has been on uptrend for a while and it has been playing around this resistance zone for a while. So right now it's trying to sell. It has given us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is PayNext 999. This started the downtrend right from here and it sold till it got to this region, and right from there it is pulling back right now. It's switching to an uptrend and pulling back. Okay, so if it should breaks out above this region, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will switch back into into a downtrend and sell more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until the pullback is over. Okay, the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend for a while, just where we have seen this, and it has been selling since then. Okay, even though it is at the support zone again, if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The only reason why it will not sell is if it breaks out below this particular support region. Okay, if it breaks out below this particular support region, that is the only reason why it will not sell. But the only reason why it will not sell is if it's unable to break out. Sorry, if it is unable to break out below the support region. But once it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, but if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it's going to buy. Okay, so that is very, very important for us to know. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.